Hi, it's Paul from HobbyLink International. Don't forget there's a subscribe button down there somewhere. There's a bell there as well. If you click on those, you'll get notified of all the future videos from myself and Kenny. And today we're going to have a quick look at a new decal sheet from Iliad Design. This is a 1/48 F-106B Delta Dart. Okay, so this is a set from Iliad Design, 1/48 scale, of the F-106B Delta Dart, the twin seat version. So let's have a look, see what we get inside the bag. Take everything out. First off, the instructions. Okay, the F-106B, there's only one kit out there, Trumpeter 1/48 kit. So you get here, there's 5 decal options with a colourful tail. Notes about each individual aircraft are on here. Obviously the tails are pretty colourful on some of them, most of them actually, all of them actually. And you get some details, the idiosyncrasies of each aircraft, such as this one doesn't have the in-flight refueling modification on the spine, and you know, black and yellow pitot probe there is different. This is one from the flight test program. I think it was used in the B1B's flight test program. This one was also used in the B1B flight test program, so there's 2 of those. This one with buzz numbers on the fuselage, and the one at the bottom with California National Guard. And this aircraft is that one as well, basically the same aircraft. This one's later in life when it was a chase aircraft. You get all sorts of little notes about antennas, colours, things like that going on for each aircraft. Over the page, close-up pics of the nose and main undercarriage. Notes again about modifications on individual aircraft, decal placement above and below. Also, there's a link. Well, not a link. Here's a link to a build article of on Hyperscale, where they build that aircraft with those decals. So everything you need is on there. And then, well, actually there's 2 decal sheets, cars, and a little addendum sheet. Basically, when they printed these decal sheets, you see this one's missing 2 stars at the back end as compared to that one. Basically, from what I can gather, on the original file the stars are there, on the printer's files the stars are there, just when it came out the printer the stars weren't there. So hence the extra decals there to replace those 2. But everything, there's no backing film on any of these big parts. Any backing film I can see is on text, where they use that to keep things lined up. Nothing is sort of bleeding anywhere, or everything lines up perfectly. So it's a pretty neat option. I'll put a link to where you can get this underneath the video as well, and photographs of all this will be on the website. I'll put a link to the website underneath as well. An all pretty neat decal sheet. If you've got the Trumpeter kit, I think they only get 2 decal options in that. This is an easy way to grab another 5. And some pretty unique aircraft with the chase aircraft and the National Guard. just have a look at in fact, have a look at Iliad's website anyway, because they've got some pretty neat decals on there. I think we've reviewed quite a lot of them, but there's other ones as well. Many thanks to Iliad for sending it along for us to have a look at.